Hello everyone, I welcome you to this channel. I welcome you to this platform. This is Indigenous TV and you are most welcome. The Lagos State High Court, sitting at the Tafawa Balewa Square, TBS Annex, Igboshere, Lagos Island, has convicted and sentenced to death by hanging a suspended Assistant Superintendent of Police, ASP Drambi Vandi, for the wicked, biased, trigger-excited, unnecessary and unwarranted killing of a Lagos-based lawyer, Mrs. Omobolanle Raheem. The judge, in the person of Justice Ibironke Harrison, held that the prosecution the Lagos state government has in the matter or in the case against the convict is beyond all and every reasonable doubt. The court finds the defendant guilty on a one count of murder. The judge declared that ASP Drambi Vandi will be hanged by the neck till he dies or until he is confirmed dead. For those of us that are not aware of the incident that led to this matter or this story, let me simply help by taking our mind back to December the year 2022 and on Christmas Day being December 25th precisely. But before that, please kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so that as we publish new videos, you'll be among the first to get it. Share this video, like this video, and please drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you. And moving forward, the 41-year-old pregnant lawyer was shot to death at the Aja Under Bridge checkpoint on Christmas Day on the 25th of December, the year 2022, on her way back home from church with her family in the car. Who would have thought that the healthy pregnant lawyer's life will be gone, as well as that of her unborn baby, because she was pregnant? Who would have thought that December 25th, the year 2022, was going to be the very last Christmas celebration she was going to witness? Well, as painful as it is, I want to say rest in peace, ma, and may God give the family the fortitude to keep bearing this loss. The Lagos state government brought Drambi Vandi before the courts, and he is faced with a one-count charge of murder, contrary to Section 223 of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015. Sadly, the remains of the late lawyer and that of her baby was laid to rest just 3 weeks after the policeman cut her life short, as well as that of her baby's life, or rather her unborn baby's life in Lagos. The award-winning property developer and the late lawyer was the first child of her parents, and she left behind loved ones, including her mother. You see, in this case, the Lagos state government brought in 11 witnesses, including the husband of the deceased, the sister of the deceased, and police officers who were at the scene of the incident. The defendant testified as the sole witness in his own defense, and in denying the offense, Vandi told the court that the loud gunshot heard by eyewitnesses was that of a firecracker. Vandi also claimed that the bullet which killed the lady, or which killed the lawyer Omobolanle Raheem, didn't come from the gun he carried on the very sad day of the incident. He also claimed not to have seen the bullet until the day the bullet was tendered in court. According to Justice Ibironke Harrison, the Assistant Superintendent of Police, in the person of Drambi Vandi, didn't give any explanation on how the firecracker killed the deceased. Neither did he give any other explanation for her death. The court believed the evidence of the pathologist that the late Omobolanle Raheem was shot from the right side and at very close range. The defendant was the only armed person who had the opportunity to shoot from the right side, and which shot resulted into the death of Barrister Omobolanle Raheem and that of her unborn baby. The court also took into account the testimony of Omobolanle's sister, who immediately ran towards the trigger-excited police officer and held him by the hand and also identify him as the shooter, as well as statements, from witnesses pointing to the defendant as the shooter and the killer of the barrister and her unborn baby. The killer, after the incident, didn't even contact his colleagues, but rather he ran into a bus to hide until he was dragged out of that bus. Now, looking at these evidences, the court simply found him guilty and sentenced him to death by hanging. As a people, we need to know the caliber of people or persons we allow to handle weapons in dealing with members of the public. As a people, what has happened to our morals? I think we need to begin to work on our morals and values to build up a society that is going to be safe for everyone. Extrajudicial killing, in my own opinion, is a virus that we must eradicate in our society. I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one.